remote work was supposed to free you. So why are you stuck in meetings and Slack chats? After testing 63 quiet jobs, I found only 15 that are truly silent. No calls, no managers, no unmuting yourself ever again. And the craziest part, number 3 pays $35 per hour for something this easy. Let's dive in. So, let's talk about our first category of quiet night jobs, AI data training. Ever wonder who teaches those AI systems to tell the difference between a cat and a dog in photos? Or how voice assistant learn to understand your accent? That is right, actual humans. And there is a whole hidden industry of night owls making $15 to $30 per hour doing exactly this kind of work. Behind the scenes, AI companies need thousands of regular people to label images, transcribe audio, and categorize content for their algorithms. Computers are smart, but they still need humans to show them what is what. The cool part, you don't need any special background to do this work. These AI training positions are completely interaction-free. No meetings, client presentations, or awkward icebreakers. You are training machines, not talking to humans. Companies like Apple and SKAI constantly hire people with zero experience to complete tasks machines can't figure out yet. You might identify objects in photos, transcribe audio clips, or rate search result relevance. The work is straightforward. Follow instructions and make judgment calls using common sense. What makes this perfect for night people is the flexibility. You log in whenever you want, 2 a.m., 4 a.m., doesn't matter, and complete as many tasks as you feel like doing. There's no schedule, just as waiting for someone to pick them up. Picture this, it's 3 a.m., your insomnia has kicked in, and while the world sleeps, you are categorizing sunset photos for an AI learning to distinguish between dawn and dusk. Each task takes just seconds, and the satisfaction of completing dozens in an hour adds up quickly. Most tasks take between 10 to 30 seconds. You are paying per completed task rather than hourly, giving you complete control over your schedule. Work for 3 hours straight or take breaks whenever needed. The system simply tracks what you finish. People doing this work report earning between $500 and $800 weekly once they master the system and learn which project pay best. The trick is finding the sweet spot between good paid tasks and ones you can complete quickly. The real beauty is the solitude. No preparation, no course, no customer service skills needed. It's just you, your computer, and some tasks that help machines get smarter. Ideal for night owls who value independence. What surprises most people is that this just pays up to $30 per hour with zero experience required. No degree or certification, just attention to detail and basic computer skills. Most platforms have a short qualification test, then you are set. One woman I interviewed started after her second child was born. Unable to sleep, she completes image labeling tasks on her phone while up with the baby. 6 months later, she was earning more from nighttime AI training than from her day job. If you think that is cool, wait till you see how your typing skills can earn you extra income in our next category. Let's talk about our next type of quiet night jobs, test-based work. Did you know companies actually pay people $12 to $20 per hour just to type information from one place to another with nobody looking over your shoulder? These jobs are perfect for night owls who prefer typing to talking. Every single day, businesses generate massive amounts of information, reports, customer feedback, meeting notes, audio recordings. It all needs to be processed somehow. That is where you come in. While everyone else is sleeping, you can make money organizing all this information that piles up during the regular business hours. Most people completely skip over these jobs when they are job hunting. They think transcription and data entry are boring or don't pay well. The truth is that the night shift premium and total flexibility make this position surprisingly good money. Plus, you can often work as little or as much as you want each week. Transcription involves converting audio files into written text. Legal firms need court proceedings typed up. Medical offices need patient notes transcribed. Content creators need their podcasts and videos turned into blog posts or captions. All require accurate text versions of recordings. The beauty of text-based work is flexibility. Platforms like Rev and Scribe connect you directly with clients who upload audio files. Most projects give you at least 24 hours to complete them. This means you can log in at 3 a.m., claim some work, and finish it at your own pace. Pure freedom. Data entry positions are even simpler. You are basically moving information from one place to another, typing handwritten forms into spreadsheets, updating customer databases, or cataloging products for online stores. You need good attention to detail and decent typing speed, no specialized knowledge. Companies like Clickworker and Fiverr constantly connect night owls with businesses that need help organizing information after hours. The work arises when businesses finish their day, creating perfect opportunities for night people while everyone else sleeps. These jobs typically start around $12 per hour for simple tasks, but here is the key insight. Specialization dramatically increases your earnings. Regular transcription might pay $0.50 per audio minute, but legal or medical transcription can pay $1.50 or more per minute. That is triple the pay for essentially the same work with some specialized technology. This brings me to job number 3 on our list: specialized legal transcription, which pays up to $35 per hour. Courts and law firms often need overnight turnarounds on sensitive materials for hearings and depositions. Since legal professionals charge hundreds per hour, they are willing to pay premium rates for quick, accurate transcription. One woman I interviewed worked exclusively transcribing legal documents from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. 5 nights weekly. With a paralegal background, she makes more in those 20 weekly hours than she did working 40 hours in an office. Platforms like Hype hire remote transcribers specifically for courtroom dialogue and legal recordings. According to my research, focused transcribers earn $500 to $800 monthly part-time, while more active ones report $200 to $400 weekly. But there's an even more surprising category of nice job that most people don't know exists. These positions are part of an underground economy that operates while most of the world sleeps. So what happens when millions of people are using apps and websites while you are sleeping? Someone has to keep those platforms running smoothly all night long. This creates a whole hidden economy of night jobs most people don't even know exist. The internet never sleeps. It bustles like a city that lights up after dark. Right now, people around the world are gaming, shopping, posting on social media, and using apps. This creates massive demand for behind-the-scenes workers who handle content moderation and customer support during overnight hours. These positions are rarely advertised openly. You won't see them on the main job boards or in your LinkedIn feed. They form a hidden economy that most job seekers never discover. Companies need people to clean up toxic content at 3 a.m., but don't advertise those roles prominently. Companies like MoveSquared hire remote workers specifically to monitor online communities, gaming platforms, and social media accounts during overnight hours. The gaming industry especially needs 24/7 coverage because players are actively around the clock in different time zones. When American players log off, Australian players are just getting started. The work typically involves reviewing flag content, answering email inquiries, or managing automated systems. You handle issues through tickets, chat system, or flag content reviews, all without phone calls or meetings. These night moderation jobs generally pay between $12 to $18 per hour, with many positions including bonuses for handling certain volumes or maintaining quality standards. Handle 50 tickets in a shift with high accuracy. That might earn you an extra $50 to $100 per week. Platforms like Alice connect night workers with professional services in HR, marketing, and customer service. These specialized jobs can pay up to $25 per hour because they require specific knowledge. Tasks might include screening jobs application for HR departments or scheduling social media posts for marketing teams. One moderator working for a major dating app reviewing flag profiles from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. shared. Nobody bothers me. I can listen to podcasts while I work. She makes $16 per hour plus bonuses for processing high volumes. This company specifically wants night owls who prefer working when others sleep. Your night owl tendencies become an asset instead of something to overcome. Many positions have same week start days with quick training. One content moderator for a video platform explained a quick turnaround story. I applied on Monday, did the training Tuesday night, and was working my first pay shift by Thursday. The real money comes from specialization and performance bonuses. General moderators might make $15 an hour, but those who specialize in specific content types or consistently exceed performance metrics earn significantly more. One night worker increased her hourly rate from $14 to $22 by specializing in a particular type of content moderation that fewer people were willing to do. These 15 quiet night jobs are your ticket out of the endless Zoom meetings most remote workers suffer through. People who switch to these async positions report higher job satisfaction and less stress overall. The real question is which job matches your specific skills and gives you the freedom you have been craving. If you are serious about escaping the meeting trap, hit subscribe. Next week, I'm sharing the exact script I used to negotiate a fully async position, transforming my work life from chaotic interruptions to peaceful productivity. And you're welcome.